Okay, we're gonna work on a little button work, mitt work, pad work. There are different ways that you can use mitts. There are different ways that we use mitts. This one's called button work because think about if you press a button, you get a response, right? So our goal is when a certain thing happens in sparring, which will happen constantly, then we wanna have a response. This one is 1-2 rock 2, which you might have already done the actual mitt drill, but sometimes when we're doing mitt work, not like button work, it'll just be for visual clarity or visual cues. So a 1-2 rock 2 without touching the person looks like this. It's a 1-2 rock 2. So I'm taking that 1-2 and hit hard. And I'm coming just straight back at his face to make him rock back, right? So it's a 1-2 rock 2. Now if I'm changing this to button work, I want to trigger that cross. So it's a 1-2, and then instead of going straight at his face, I'm just going to touch the shoulder, which would be like punching somebody in their shoulder, and you shoulder rolled a little bit, and then come back with a heavy right. So that's the button that we're working on right now. So it's a 1-2. Notice his hand comes up to protect, but he's also getting touched. So in a fight or in a sparring match, when that happens and he throws a 1-2, and I come back and I throw just a jab, he's used to right hand over the top, boom, coming back with it. So that's how we start working. You'll hear different words for different mitt work. This is button. There'll be some responsive. There'll be some just let's spar or let's just work. We'll do a whole nother series on mitts, just so you kind of get the difference at how we hold it here. None of this is right and wrong, I'll say. It's just how we train. And as long as we can train the same, it'll make your training progression much quicker because you're on the same page as us. Irregardless of what other coaches have either shown you, taught you, or told you, or what you see on the internet, it's just how we do things here. So, button work, 1-2 rock 2. And then to add motion afterwards to clear out. That's it. One more time. Good. So there's your button work.